That was the investor.
Investor? You remember what Shepherd said to you right there, sir?
Who? Listen to me, Tony, and come out of here. Excuse me. I don't realize how this is me right now. Tell me foolishness about Shepherd. Tell Shepherd to attend to him flock and leave my business alone. Right.
Listen, Maureen. You might not believe in a certain things, but trust me, that man there, real. So anything him tell you, believe.
If you want to believe, you believe. In your
Maureen, do not say it.
Spiritual advisor. But let me tell you something. You say if someone want to invest in my business, it's my business. Alright? Because when we get an investor, that means more business, more money for my business. My business.
You know this investor? Where you know him from?
So wait there. Is where I come, eh? I interrogate you, want to come interrogate me? Eh? Yeah. Don't interrogate me. It's my business.
Mom, listen. And I interrogate me, I interrogate you. Enough people out the road is not who them say them is. All me I ask you to do is check out that person's background before you go in a business with him.
Tonya, I'm here to talk to you. You don't think me know that? Eh? Come on, girl.
I just know why you get in that trouble with people you don't know about.
You don't worry about me. Me alright. If you get to me, I can take care of myself.
What him name?
For? For you go investigating for me? It's good, man. Good. Then we do it myself.
Alright? Just please remember what Shepherd said to you.
Let me ask you something, Tonya. You paying? How much him charge you? Kind look like say you take that something as serious and you believe it, man.
You wanna believe it? Whenever it's gone, you can't talk.
Listen to me. I suffer with laryngitis. Sometimes my voice go and come. It's not him.
And me not know that. Believe kill and believe cure. Remember me tell you that.
You don't like how that sound, like a girl. Like you're checking me. You're checking me with your spiritual advisor. Eh?
We're not threatening you. I'm just a put up on your guard.
Me dey on my guard. Mom. Anyway, tonight, I'm going to go but I need you. You really, really try to help your brother. Alright?
You know I'm gonna do anything I can do. So don't worry yourself.
Alright. Then go and see if we can catch some people and watch you. Alright?
Alright,
Okay, it's a baby.
be careful.
Yeah, man. But always careful. Marine me name. Later.
Alright, bye, Mom.
Yo, me ready. Come pick me up. Yeah, man. Pick top of the road. Alright. Hello, Mr. Undercover Man. How are you?
I'm good, yeah.
Yeah, man. Me just come up with one of them, but me I'm take a charge now, yeah?
So to see.
Yeah, man, you too. Take care. Alright.
Bad girl, you a bad girl. You a talk with a freaky thing, whoa. You I make it go and sticky like whoa. Me a bad man, jealous, you my routine, baby. You go crazy, I my baby. So baby, put it on me. So baby, put it on me. So for the party, baby, I just wanna take you out tonight, yeah. I don't wanna let her on my side, yeah. I just wanna keep you in my bed, my bed, yeah. Hey, in my bed, in my bed, in my bed, in my bed. I just want you to love me. I just want you to hold me. I just want you to love me.